Hi, let's talk about Lucknow's best financial analytics course. But before moving ahead, let's understand what financial analytics is. To make it simple, I've added the link to the Financial Analyst course in the description below. Do check it out. Financial analytics is done by a financial analyst who is a professional who analyzes financial data, market trends, company performance, and economic conditions to help businesses or investors make smart financial decisions. They work on analyzing financial statements, balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, budgeting and forecasting, financial modeling in Excel, investment analysis, risk assessment, market research and valuation. In simple words, a financial analyst helps companies understand where they are financially and where they should invest or improve. Now let me assure you the demand for financial analyst is really high, not only in India but also in the global market. With businesses growing and investments increasing, companies need skilled analysts to manage and plan finances strategically. Now if you're serious about learning financial analytics, I have added the link to the best financial analyst course available in your city. In the description, do check it out. But before enrolling into any course, first check out that the institute is offering the important things or not. So I am sharing a proper checklist. Make sure that you will match the list with every course. First one is the curriculum. Second is the tools. Third one is real world projects. Fourth is the practical learning. Fifth is the trainer's experience. And the last is job guarantee. If any institute is following all these parameters, then that course is the best for you. And the one I already added for you in the description covers all these pointers. I hope you found this video valuable. Do like, comment and share. And if you have any doubts, drop them in the comments. I will surely clear them.